Press the bell icon and never miss an update.
It's very sad that I am making this video after Sushant is no more with us. But nevertheless, he left us with some great work of art through his movies, जो हम बार बार देख सकते हैं और उन्हें याद कर सकते हैं. He may be a complete stranger in Bollywood when he started with his first movie back in 2013, but not a stranger to the camera as he has already done 2 TV shows by then. किस देश में है मेरा दिल एंड पवित्र रिश्ता. और ये सुशांत की एक्टिंग से बिल्कुल साफ झलकता है कि वो बड़े पर्दे के लिए ही बने थे. बॉलीवुड रियल रिव्यूज प्रेजेंट्स टॉप 5 मूवीज ऑफ सुशांत सिंह राजपूत एंड डू नॉट मिस द फन फैक्ट्स आफ्टर एवरी मूवी. And also there's a surprise news at the end about Sushant's new movie Dil Bechara. Movie number 1, Kai Poche. After struggling for quite some time giving different auditions, Sushant finally got a breakthrough with this Abhishek Kapoor's directorial venture Kai Poche, which was a story about 3 friends in and around the time of Godhra riots and how their friendship suffered. इस मूवी ने बॉक्स ऑफिस पर ऑलमोस्ट 100 करोड़ का बिजनेस किया था और 2013 की सक्सेसफुल फिल्म्स में इसका शुमार हुआ था. सुशांत के साथ इस फिल्म में उनके दोस्तों का किरदार निभाया है राजकुमार राव और अमित सद. Do listen to the songs Manjha and Shubharam. They will give you goosebumps. Fun fact, Kai Poche was loosely based on Chetan Bhagat's novel 3 Mistakes of My Life. Movie number 2. The biggest movie of Sushant's career, which made him an overnight star, and I am sure यही वो मूवी है जिसने काफी बड़े-बड़े एक्टर्स को टेंशन में डाल दिया होगा. The Pop of all, MS Dhoni, The Untold Story. Directed by Neeraj Pandey, the same guy who has given us some great gems like A Wednesday, Special 26, Baby. As the name suggests, the movie was based on the life of cricketer MS Dhoni, how he, as a child, wanted to become a goalkeeper and worked as a TTE, and how he finally became the second captain of Indian team to ever lift a World Cup in 2011. Every scene of this movie will make you believe in Sushant's acting prowess all the way more. ऐसा लगता है जैसे कि सुशांत ने इस मूवी में अपनी पूरी जान ही फूंक दी थी. In a recent post on Instagram, Shane Watson said, "At times you forgot whether it was Sushant or MSG." This only proves how well Sushant must have worked not to get just the look right for the movie, but also every mannerism of MS Dhoni. My favorite songs from the movie are Jab Tak with Kiara Advani, who played Dhoni's wife's character, and Kaun Tujhe with Disha Patani, who played MS Dhoni's girlfriend's character who died in a road accident. Fun fact, as per the director Neeraj Pandey, 95% of this movie was shot on real locations where the real MS Dhoni spent his childhood. Movie number 3, Kedarnath. With this movie, Sushant Singh Rajput became the actor to launch Sara Ali Khan into Bollywood. The movie was based on the flood that happened in Kedarnath in 2013. Sushant played a Muslim boy who helps pilgrims to reach their destination in Kedarnath as a porter, and who fell in love with a Hindu girl. Sushant's soft-spoken style was largely appreciated with this film, and Sara Ali Khan became an overnight star. Though the movie didn't do amazing business at the box office, but it was a profitable venture for the producers. Directed by Abhishek Kapoor, who launched Sushant into Bollywood. Do listen to the songs Kafirana and Janizar. आजकल ऐसे बेहतरीन रोमांटिक सॉन्ग्स बहुत कम ही बनते हैं. I love these 2 songs. I'm sure you will love them too. Fun fact, Karan Johar wanted Simba to become the debut movie of Sara Ali Khan because of course he always wanted to take the credit to launch the nepotism stars. Haha, sorry Sara Ali Khan. Not your fault that you are the daughter of Saif Ali Khan. But Abhishek Kapoor, director of Kedarnath, won the battle and released this movie earlier than Simba, though both the movies released in December 2018. Movie number 4, Son Chidiya. Based in the year 1975, a group of rebels in Chambal are looking for money for arms and ammunition in the period of emergency. Though the storyline sounds very cliché, but the way director Abhishek Chaubey represents it on screen is a treat to watch and listen to. क्योंकि पान सिंह तोमर मूवी की तरह इस मूवी में भी रियल एंड ऑथेंटिक लैंग्वेज का इस्तेमाल किया है, जो कि कई जगह तो आपको शायद समझ ही ना आए. डायरेक्टर अभिषेक चौबे वही हैं जिन्होंने उड़ता पंजाब और इश्किया जैसी फिल्में बनाई हैं, तो आप समझ ही गए होंगे कि उनके कहानी को दिखाने का अंदाज कुछ अलग ही होता है. Now this movie is not for the regular moviegoers but for the ones who likes to see real and authentic cinema, which we love watching in Hollywood movies. So if you haven't watched Son Chidiya yet, this is the right time to find it on OTT platform and watch it. Fun fact, इस फिल्म के क्रू में कुछ ऐसे भी लोग थे जो अपने वक्त में उन्हीं चंबल की घाटियों में डकैत हुआ करते थे. And the last but not the least, movie number 5, छिछोरे. Now this movie can be very much called a sequel to Three Idiots. अब ये मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूँ क्योंकि जिस सुसाइड के मुद्दे को Three Idiots ने सिर्फ छुआ ही था, उसी आइडिया को लेकर डायरेक्टर नितेश तिवारी ने पूरी फिल्म बना डाली. नितेश तिवारी जिनकी पिछली फिल्म ने इतने रिकॉर्ड तोड़े हैं जो कि बाहुबली भी तोड़ नहीं पाई. जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ दंगल की. तो आप एक धमाकेदार मूवी फिर से एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं नितेश तिवारी से. Lot of work has been put on the looks of all actors who age from being in their late teens to late 50s. Though I still don't understand why all the boys in the movie literally got old except for the girl Shraddha Kapoor. I mean, किस चक्की का आटा खाया होगा इन्होंने जो बुढ़ापे की एक भी लकीर चेहरे पर नहीं आई इनके. मुझे बस बॉलीवुड मूवीज की यही बात पसंद नहीं है. एक तरफ एक्ट्रेस के मेकअप पर इतना ख्याल और दूसरी तरफ एक्ट्रेस को इतनी आसानी से छोड़ दिया. खैर, besides the fact of Shraddha Kapoor's looks, the movie is worth a watch. कॉलेज का एक एक सीन आपको अपने कॉलेज के दिनों की जरूर याद दिलाएगा और एंड में मूवी एक बहुत ही अच्छा मैसेज भी दे जाती है. Nah, I'm not gonna reveal that message here with you all. You guys have to do some work for that and watch the movie. But before that, if you haven't yet listened to the song Khairiyat, do listen and enjoy the beautiful lyrics by Amitabh Bhattacharya and composed by Pritam. And now the movie that hasn't been released yet but is going to be That's Dil Bechara, जो कि 24 जुलाई को ऑनलाइन रिलीज की जा रही है हॉटस्टार पर. I'm sure audiences are eagerly waiting to see the magic of Sushant Singh Rajput once again on the screen. And the best part is Hotstar ने ये रिवील किया है अपनी पोस्ट में ऑन ट्विटर कि वो इस मूवी को फ्री फॉर ऑल रिलीज करने वाले हैं. चाहे आपके पास सब्सक्रिप्शन हो या ना हो हॉटस्टार का, ये मूवी आप हॉटस्टार पे देख पाएंगे. तो याद रखें, डेट 24 जुलाई. Well, that's it from me. Do like the video and subscribe and share. सलाम नमस्ते, हम हैं राई प्यार के, फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते.